All right, I'm going to take judicial notice also in all of the court's files. And Mr. Tran was evaluated for competency and was found not competent to stand trial back in August of last year, was sent to the John Dunn Behavioral Science Center for competency restoration, received the report from them dated March 12th of 2026 that has the finding that Mr. Tran has attained competency and is currently competent to stand trial. Is there any other evidence with regard to competency?
Not from the defense, Judge.
Not from the state.
Okay. Then at this time, based on that report, I will find that Mr. Tran is competent to stand trial. All right, so I went through clause number 0423 and 0424. And so, Mr. Tran, did you go over the paperwork on the tablet with Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you fully understand it?
Yes.
And you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, that you're waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
State tenders number one in each case.
No objection, Judge.
They're admitted in each case. Again, I'm going to find that Mr. Tran is competent to stand trial. Mr. Tran, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty in each of these cases freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and in cause number 25 DCCR 0423, find you guilty of assault on a peace officer, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 25 DCCR 0424, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of assault on EMS personnel, sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 2137560, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. This shows that you were placed on probation February 16th of 2022 for the state jail felony offense of theft of property, and that was a 2-year term in the state jail prison that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Judge, count one is one of the offenses we just pled to. Count two is one that's being dismissed. So we could just do count one of these. That's all right with the court.
1 and 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in cause number 2138780, I also have a motion to revoke